Alright, so we are going to be looking at Scratch project for math and opening Scratch 3. So this Scratch math is probably for those kids actually in primary. So I'll be actually for showing you how to go about it. First of all, let's say we have it. So opening screen, you can see click on green flag. Let's say math for 6 plus 10. Type the answer. Let's enter. Alright, choose another one. 3 plus 8, 7. Let's enter. And 9 plus 4. I'll just probably type a wrong answer. 10 plus 8 is 10. This is what the arrow shows. Because it's 7. Let's enter. So plus 4 plus 2, 4. And that's called that's how. So anyway, just had our backdrop, which we actually selected a classroom backdrop, which is the stage. Go to backdrop, just had one backdrop. You can probably delete it, select which is what we want. Have our classroom and actually import just right, or I prefer to use anything like me. I chose a robot as teacher, which is a robot I chose. You can actually choose whatever. Then we'll be creating variable, which is to make a variable. Yeah, make a variable, you enter the variable name. Yeah, but we have a variable which we created, which is number 1, number 2, and score. These are the 3 variables we need, and the numbers the player will answer store the score. Then have number 1, number 2, 4. Yeah. Then we will now start creating our answering the question blocks. When we click on the robot, over here you see, let me zoom in a little bit. What's going on? Over here you can see we have, when the blue flag is clicked, set score to 0. So what we do is go to select the variable, drop the score. That's what we do here. Then we went to looks, get amount for 2 seconds. Added it here. Then we go to our control block and add it. So all other parts of the code inside the repeat block. Then we add 5 as number of times we want it to. That's why you see the game repeats. Questions keeps coming up every 5 times. Then at the end of the 5 times, it shows us a score. So at the end of 5 times, it tells us our final score second. That's what the code do. So let's go back. So after the repeat block, we have set number 1 to. So what we do is we go to variable set number 1 to. Inside here, we drag this block and keep here. But instead of us typing the score, we go to operators and pick random 1 to 10 and input inside. So let me show you how to do that. If I come down, we can say set 1 0. Then we come to operators and pick random, drag it, watch, and placing it inside this circle. If I place it here, fits in. That's actually how we got that. Then that's how we got that. Okay. All right. So that's how we got that. Then we do the same thing for them too, and we pick 1 to 0. Then we add. Then for this ask, we go to section. Go ask what's your name. Then from here we go to sensing. Let me show you how I do that. So over here, brought this ask. Instead of what's your name, we add the join. So we go to operators, join, add it into here. You can see how we do that. Then we now add under join. So we added under join inside the join. This is inside the app. So join. Here we now said num1. Going to our variables, pick num1, add in this apple. Then here we now do this space. We type plus under space. Then we now added another join 3, which is join this second one. Then we now add num2, which is variables 2. Then we put over here, we now put our space, then question mark, space. So we now have and wait. So this does actually have that here. So then for the answer, what we did was pick if block, we go to event, use this if then s. So we use this not if then but if then s. That was the block we used. So they're asking a question. When you pick this, show you back it down here, then come to operators, say here we have answer text. So what we do is pick this block, add here, not pick this, added it here, and we say answer. You need to get it from sensing answer. So whatever the answer is, stores in this answer. Then we say if answer is equals to so over here, then what we'll do is we'll add this, go to operators, then we'll pick this plus this, then we'll add it here. So then we'll come to variable num1 equals to plus num2 will be equals to the answer. Then when it's done doing that calculation, to tell if the answer is correct, it will not say correct and display it for 1 second. Then we'll play sound. You know where you can see sound. You come to play sound, clapping until done. Then we'll add change score by 1. So you go to variables, you see change score by 1. Then you do the same thing here. But if it's wrong under the S block, which is sorry, we are supposed to use the S block. Let me hold on. So let me put this back. Control if and then yes. So this is what we'll do. Do this here. Then under what we want is you add the C block. If answer is correct, you add it under here. Then this else block, what you do is you come over here, say T, then you get join operators, join, add it here. Then you type this oops. The answer was, you now type it here. Then you now get the variable, the operators of plus, add here. Then you now add num1 plus num2 for 2 seconds. So that's what you do here for the else block. Then why here this here will contain this our code. We have this C block, this sound cloud play sound, and also change score. So when you are done with that, you come and add your final score here, where you say C. Then you go to the operators, pick join, then add type final score. Then under here for this banana, okay, this is what you do. You go to C, pick C for 2 seconds, add under, Then come to operators, click join, then you now type this, then come down, paste this here, and here you now say his answer is equals to score. Come here and pick score and put here. That's actually how you get it. So I'll be deleting this and also this. I just use that to show you how to set it. Then we'll try this code again. We have click the green flag, mask quiz, then ask you the answer 7, press enter, correct. So I'll just stop it. So that's actually how you achieve that. Alright, thanks for watching. Then if we want to add more functionality, I would love you. This does only addition. So you can actually add for subtraction, for division, just to add more functionality to make it a big quiz. So this is only for addition. You can add for subtraction, for multiplication, and also for division. I would love to see your challenges. I would love to see your project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in some other projects. Bye.